Hey everybody!
Hey!
Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you guys here this week because we have a fun 3-day event vlog.
Whoop. Okay, so Carolyn, my sister-in-law and Katie's sister, got a new puppy!
Woo! We are so excited!
So we're on our way to pick her up right now. She got her when she was 3 days old, but we couldn't pick her up. So we had to wait 6 whole entire weeks, and today is the day that she's finally ready to come home.
And we literally have been counting down. We're so excited. Carolyn's so excited. We don't even know the name yet, so we can't wait till the big reveal. But follow us, see what it's like to be a new puppy mom, and see all the cuteness that's in store.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
All right, here we go.
Are you ready to be a mother?
I hope so.
She's gonna be a mom!
Portillo's.
Bomb. I've been waiting for this all day.
That's good.
We just ate Portillo's. It was so good. Now we're all in a food coma.
We got the baby.
She is so cute, everybody.
Look at her back there.
We just took her.
She's doing good so far, but
Yeah.
she's being silly.
She was crying a little bit, but that's gonna happen.
Here we go. Let's take her home.
Are you guys excited? Your new cousin? Are you excited?
That was like the smallest little jump.
So today is my first official day at the house. We didn't get home until about 10 p.m. last night, so she didn't really have time to, explore. She just got time to meet everybody. So today we're excited to play with her and have a good time.
She gets to look around, and our dogs have been really playful and really nice to her, which we're super happy about. She's so cute, you guys.
She's literally adorable.
She's like this gentle little thing, and she's like a lamb and runs around, and then all of a sudden she's in the splits because she just slides across the tile. But it's really fun having a puppy back in the house. It's nice to not have all the responsibility.
Yeah.
When she poops, we don't have to pick it up.
Yeah, we're like,
because it's-
Carolyn, she pooped.
Yeah, but we're excited. We're gonna play with her outside today, and then tomorrow she's gonna meet Rocky and Rosie. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, so Rocky and Rosie are Peter's, which is her brother's other dogs. They're his two, what kind of dogs are they?
Bulldogs.
Yeah, 2 bulldogs. So they're very funky. They're cute.
Wait till you see those little cuties.
Yeah.
But anyways, just checking in, and here's more of the cuteness.
Who's your little girl? Who's your little girl? Who's your little Maggie Roo?
I'm here with you see her little head? So cute. She's been a good girl. She cried a little bit last night, but she was really good for the most part. She let Carolyn sleep. She's so cute.
Okay, so we just got woken up. Sorry, we look crazy. It's fine. By the little baby. Monica's gonna, you might hear it, but like.
She's bugging and bugging.
Auntie duties. Oh, she's so. Oh no, leave it. Hey everyone.
What's up?
All right, third day with the pup. We've been having so much fun.
Yeah, she's definitely getting more comfortable and being a little mischievous little thing, but she's so cute and she's a good girl.
And today we're putting her in the pool. We cannot wait. Carolyn, how's it been having a new puppy?
Gosh, it's a dream.
She's so cute. What's her
It's
name?
a dream, but a stressful one.
Yes. Tell us what her name is.
Magnolia!
We love Maggie.
Magnolia.
Grandpa in the mix. He's in the vlog.
Grandpa and his new granddaughter.
What'd you say, Peter?
They're nuts.
Magnolia's about to go to bed.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this week's episode.
It was so much fun having a new puppy in the house, Magnolia. She was going by the pool all weekend and she was running around being a crazy little thing.
Definitely. But she fits right in with the family.
Yes.
And we're so happy she gets along with our babies and especially the cat. That was a little random, but we're
Very.
happy about it. And we're just so excited, and we hope that this episode was so special for Carolyn. It's dedicated to her and Magnolia.
Dedicated to you, sister. I definitely forgot what it's like to have a puppy again. It's been so long and it's so much work, but the reward is so worth it.
It definitely is.
Don't forget to come back next week for another episode. We're going to be filming something really cool this weekend and you don't want to miss out on it.
Lots of fun going to happen next week.
Woo, woo.
And we hope that you like and subscribe and share down below in the comments what you want to see from us, or tell us the names of your little doggies and cats. We'd love to hear them.
We'll see you next Wednesday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.